Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I know, you're probably thinking like, wow, she uploaded again, and I am quite shocked myself, honestly. I only feel inspired to film or do my makeup in situations where I can't, really. Like, I just spent a whole month at home with my family on a boat, and I felt absolutely, completely inspired. Like, I just wanted to film and do my makeup every single night, but it was really hard because I was on a boat and I didn't have all my makeup, I didn't have my whole setup, like, but like now that I'm home and I'm by myself again, I literally just don't feel motivated to do this, but here we are. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how I did this look right here, and yeah, so if you're interested in watching, just continue watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna go in with the Benefit the Professional. This is the Matte Rescue Primer, so it's not the like that creamy one. This one's actually a gel-like consistency. So I'm just gonna put some of that on the back. Ooh, I am almost out. Love that. And then I'm just going to put that all over my face. I like this one because it's kind of hydrating, and my skin is so dry right now. It's horrible. So for foundation today, I am actually going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So I'm just going to take a few pumps of that on the back of my hand and just blend that in. Alright, well, I am very yellow right now, so hopefully I can lighten this up by using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is in the shade Snow. So I'm just going to put that under my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation in, I guess the foundation's in the shade 1.2, because I know that it's way too dark for me, but contour is what I use this for anyways. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm going to use that to bake with a different beauty blender here. Okay, so now that I have my face baking, I am going to go ahead and do my brows off camera using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my brows, and now I'm going to go and set them with the Cella Eyebrow Defining Gel. Okay. I am going to be doing my eyes with the Morphe X James Charles palette. To start off, I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Painterly, and I'm going to just prime my eyes with that. Okay, so to start off the look, I am going to take the shade Canvas. That's this tan color in the top right corner, and I'm going to just apply that all over my lid to kind of set the paint pot that I had put there before. Okay, next up I'm going to go in with the shade Punch Me Here as a transition shade in my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to go into the shade, I'll go in with the shade Playground. That's this vibrant blue here. I'm going to be using essentially like this area, like the blues down at the bottom here, but I'm going to go in with Playground, and don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but that's the one that I'm going to use. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Flashback, which is the big, like this big white shade in the palette, and I'm going to blend out the harsh edges with the white. Okay, and I'm going to take a little more of that dark, or that light blue Playground color, and just keep blending that in here. I'm going to go in with Cola, which is this dark blue down here, and I'm going to blend that into the crease to kind of deepen up a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Brother, which is that purpley blue shade, and also stick this outer corner. I'm also going to stick it on the inner corner here. Next, I'm going to take that same brush that I used to cut the paint pot, and I'm just going to cut the center of my crease to create like a halo eye type effect. So it's where it's lighter in the middle and then darker on the outsides. I'm going to go in with the shade Hello, which is like this icy, sparkly blue. And I'm going to just take my finger and just place that over that concealer. Okay, and now I'm going to take this angled brush that I was using for the shade Brother, and I'm just going to kind of like even out the sides here. And then I'm going to actually wipe away all of this powder that has been sitting on my face for ever. So now, along with the under eye, I'm going to take the same shades and the exact same pattern there. Next, I'm actually going to take a little bit of a white, wherever it went, a white eyeliner, and I'm going to go on my waterline, and I'm actually going to put a few dots just up on my eyes here. That is the finished eye look all complete. I'm going to go put on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have applied both lashes and stuff, I'm going just to take a little bit of my CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara and Just attach the two lashes and place this on my bottom lashes. So for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Feisty. This one was just a little sample that I had received in a Sephora order once, but honestly, I love these blushes and I want to get a bigger one, but I also am too broke, so. And so for highlight, I'm actually going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills XM Resi highlight. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with the, honestly, I think I'm just going to go with a simple pinky nude. Alright, so that is a completed look. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!